Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to view the privacy policy on Crackle. Now let us begin. For simplicity, what we're gonna do is simply scroll down to the very bottom till we see the footer. Well, as you guys can see, I have reached the footer, and let's only focus on this thing called as Stay Legal. And as you guys can see, there are multiple options ranging from ad choices to simply California privacy notice. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as privacy policy. Click on it. This is the thing we are looking for. As you guys can see, these are all the policies that you want to view. And guys, this is it. Simply click on whatever you wish. As you guys can see, I am doing it right now, and a new page will open up dictating what it is. Well guys, that is it. That's how we view the privacy policy on Crackle. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.